Hey guys, today I found out that Futurecraft is um um you could get whoa what the this isn't the original spawn, guys. Do not break blocks. If you break a block without replacing it, you will be banned the Mino PvP1. I can't see anything because of all the rain. What's this? This isn't the original spawn. This isn't the original spawn. Portals 4 and 5. Main spawn 2. Main spawn. Portal 1. Portal 1. What? This is weird. Oh. No. Bad spider. Bad spider. No. Bad spider. Bad spider. Bad spider. No. 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 Bad spider. Bad spider. Bad spider. Bad. No. Oh my gosh. No. 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 That. I want to go to Portal 1 because I like the Portal series. It's a good game. Oh my gosh. Oh great Sky God, turn it to daytime. Well, there's no I guess I'm the only one on, so. No! 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 Ah! No! 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 I'm going in here. No! 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 Is this all there is to the new and improved Futurecraft, new and improved Futurecraft server? Is this all there is to it? Just dying? No, no, no! I heard if you go on slash wild. Oh, I guess that doesn't work anymore. Someone told me that. What the heck? Did they add like Hunger Games? Like did they add like Spleef or something? Like, I mean, the main spawn only tells you one rule. It doesn't even give you any information about the server. Why is it raining? That makes me sad. Rain makes me sad. Because it feels like the great Sky God is crying for some reason. Oh, great Sky God, why are you crying? This is a great server, you don't have to cry. No, 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 no. Whoa. I didn't originally spawn here, but this is, I guess this gives me time to see what there is. Turn it to night. I mean day. Where's the moon even? I see a torch, but if I look directly at it, I can't see it. But like, can you see it like right there? right there. You see it? I'm pretty sure you could see it. I don't know, like, it's a new spawn, yeah, but I don't know if they added anything. Slash warp filter craft. Craft village. No. Earth. Warp. XCV. Nope. Slash wild. Nope. Slash warp wild. Nope. What can I do instead of dying? What are those? I think I might want to go over there. Should I? I mean, I like being on this tower, but like, there's nothing to do up here, so. No! Well, I was gonna die anyways. Go over here. I'm not trying. I'm not doing what the sign says. I'm just gonna. No! I heard man. I heard man. Oh. Oh my gosh. Why is it nighttime? Ah. I'm gonna go get some wood to build a shelter. Yes! I can fight you with this. No! Wait, what? What is this? Is this? No. Don't kill me. 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 At least you could get resources now. Don't kill me. 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 Kill me. Kill me. Don't kill me. No! Don't kill me. Don't kill me. No! 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 Oh, I spawned with the wood, huh? No! Come on! Yes, it's turning daytime. It's turning daytime. No! 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 At least I didn't die. No! 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 Die, creeper! Die, creeper! No! 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 I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I'm too young to die. I'm too young to die. I don't look at them. I know. Come on. Oh great sky god, turn it today. No. And no, I said no. 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 No. Yay, I'm up here again. I said no. No. Yeah. I said no. I said no. I said no. And I said no. 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 I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. I'm too young to die. What? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? This is weird. Huh. Well. At least I could get resources now. And hopefully it will stop raining. Okay. Okay. Wait. Well, all I'm doing is just getting resources, so I'm probably just gonna end the video here. Bye bye, captains. Wait. I wanna craft pickaxe. Yeah, bye bye, captains.